Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be opening up this mystery prankster fun box. So let's get into it. Right. Oh, there's a sticker thing. There we go. Let's see what we got. Whoa, we got an amazing slime squish ball. This isn't prankster yet. A banana. With a face on it, apparently. Smells good too. A fox poop emoji. Some stickers, and we got this crazy squishy thing. Sorry about the dog. And last but not least, this jump thing. So yeah, guys, that's it. If that's it for this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any other of my awesome videos. Peace.